You owe $15,000 more than your car is worth. Dealers pray you walk in right now. Here's the 5 escape routes they never tell you about. First, understand why you're drowning. It's not just depreciation. That dealer markup, the warranty package, the gap insurance they doubled up. You financed $35,000 on a car worth $22,000. Now in 2026, you're paying for their vacation home. Option 1, the aggressive paydown method. Every extra dollar goes to principal, not interest. This is war. Cut one subscription, one takeout habit. Throw $300 monthly at principal. In 18 months, you could flip that negative equity completely. But most people don't have 18 months of patience. Option 2, the private sale nuclear option. Private buyers pay 8% more than dealers. That's real money. List it for $24,000 when dealers offer $22,000. You'll still owe $11,000, but now you secure a personal loan at 9% versus your current 14% car loan rate. You just saved yourself $4,000 in interest over 3 years. Option 3, the refinance gamble that actually works. Credit unions in 2026 are hungry for loan transfers. They'll refinance up to 115% of your car's value. Drop your rate from 14 to 7% overnight. Your payment drops $200 monthly. That's breathing room. But here's the trap. Don't extend your term to 72 months. Option 4, the trade-in smoke and mirrors trick. Dealers will roll negative equity into a new loan. Sound great, until you realize you're financing $45,000 on a $30,000 car. You just went from drowning in 5 feet to drowning in 8. Only do this if you're trading down significantly in price. A $20,000 sedan with your negative rolled in beats your current disaster. Option 5, the voluntary surrender last resort. When you're 6 months behind and drowning, voluntary surrender beats repossession. Your credit takes a hit either way, but you control the narrative. You'll still owe the deficiency balance after they auction it, but negotiate that down to 50 cents on the dollar immediately. Here's what dealers never tell you about gap insurance. If you bought it and total your car, gap covers that negative equity. Check your original paperwork. You might have bought it and forgotten completely. That $15,000 gap disappears if the car is totaled. Step 1 tomorrow morning. Get 3 trading quotes online. Carvana, CarMax, and your local dealer. Takes 20 minutes total. Step 2. Call your current lender and ask for the payoff amount. Subtract highest offer from payoff. That's your real negative equity number today. Step 3. Visit 2 credit unions and ask about refinance options. They'll run your credit soft at first. No hard inquiry damage yet. Real talk. You might have to keep this car another year. But attacking principal now means you escape by late 2027 debt-free. Trading now without a plan means you're still trapped in 2030. 73% of trade-ins carry negative equity into new loans. Don't be the person who rolls $20,000 negative into retirement age. Bonus move. If you work from home, drop to liability-only insurance temporarily. Save $300 monthly. Throw it at principal. Controversial, but effective short-term. Your 5 escape routes in 15 seconds. Aggressive paydown. Extra $300 monthly kills negative equity fast. Private sale. 8% more than dealers. Finance the gap cheaper. Credit union refinance. Drop your rate 7 points. Breathe easier immediately. Trade down only. Roll negative into a cheaper car. Not expensive. Voluntary surrender. Control the narrative. Negotiate deficiency to 50%. Which method are you using? Drop a number 1 through 5 below. And hit subscribe so you never get trapped like this again.